Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and today is Vlogmas day 6 and today we are discussing some important online shopping tips. Let's go, shall we? So here's the first tip. People always wonder how I get best deals, so let me show you how. Now that we have so many online shopping sites available, we have tons of options to choose from. For example, if you like a dress from Shein.com, save the image of that particular dress and Google it using the image feature. There you have a lot of websites offering the same dress in different prices. So now you can pick one that comes under your budget. Tip number 2, getting your perfect size. Now every country has different sizing. UK size is different, the Asian size is different. If I fit into kind of a small in UK size, probably I'll fit into medium or large in Asian size. Always check the size chart of the website you're looking on and see the measurements in inches. Also, another important thing, few outfits are designed in such a way they are supposed to be baggy. So if you are somebody who doesn't like loose fitted clothes or baggy kind of a styles, then you should have good eye, you have to check the styles and all. Tip number 3, returns. In current world scenario, I don't need to really mention about this, but returns are really important. Now if you don't like a outfit and you really want to kind of return, then it is really handy. There are two things, one is return and exchanges. So exchanges and returns are completely different. Some of the websites do provide returns where you get your refund back, the money, and exchanges, some of the websites have exchanges, which means that you get exchanged the product, not the refund. So or else you may get the the store credit. So don't shop keeping in mind that every site has returns, so you have to definitely check the return policy. Tip number 4, how to get trendy clothes which are actually in trend right now in the new clothes. Now when you open a shopping website, it actually shows you the default feature, which is bestsellers and popular chosen as an option. But instead keep looking for new in section for more trendy and new clothes. Tip number 5, do read the reviews. Very, very important. Actually, not only reading the reviews but also see the pictures, because nowadays all the online shopping sites are actually barter dealing with these all the customers. So you put on a review, kind of write a review, and in exchange of that you get points which you can actually redeem later. So these kind of stuff are actually happening. So probably read the reviews with pictures, then you can actually see the fit and all that stuff and how it looks in real life. Also read the description for more information, about fabric, the silhouette and all that stuff, or you're getting the whole outfit, or is just the jacket or the track pants they're selling. There are few things people actually don't really read the description, and some of the websites literally selling only the jacket, but then they put on the whole outfit and they think, oh, this much amount is for the whole ensemble, the whole outfit. So then they just purchase and later realize it's just the jacket. So read the description. These are the 5 unique tips that I have been following when I'm doing the online shopping thing, and I think you should also do it. And I also want to mention the current favorites of mine in the each section. So the first one, if I'm relating to any kind of a beauty products, I definitely would recommend Nykaa, because Nykaa has really good collection. It has different stuff altogether. And the second one, for the clothing, I would recommend you to go for Shein, because they have such great clothes. They have very different stuff. But you can actually go to Google, like I said in the second tip, that you can actually take a picture and Google that image from Shein, and then you might get different options of different prices. And the third one I would like to mention is Scoops, which is actually an Indian brand, and it's really nice for clothes. You get all this trendy stuff. So these are the few, and I'll put few more in the description box below, which I like to shop from and I would recommend. So go check the description box so that you can find more websites. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And if you think this video is helpful, then definitely share with your friends who is online freak. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.